Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix verification failed issue on Binance. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. In case if you're unable to verify your account, then first thing what you need to do is log into your Binance account, and once you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon in the top right. And after that, click on identification from the list. So as you click on identification, next interface will be able to see the documents that you've provided while you were trying to create an account. So the most common reason for the verification error might be your invalid document. All the photos and documents such as bank statement and utility bill must be uploaded correctly and clear. So according to Binance, the documents should not be older than 3 months. If your record fails within 3 months and older, they won't be accepting and leading to address verification field. You need to make sure that you have a valid document. And for the second reason, it might be upload failure. So each user is given 15-minute period to upload all the necessary documents and finalize the verification. So you must have all the documents ready. Cross the time limitation, you will encounter upload failure, causing the validation process to fail. Another reason your Binance address verification failed on your expired Binance verification pending might be because you provided the wrong detail about your resident. If none of these seems to be the issue, then it might be your internet connection, or you need to check the server. You'll need to check the down detector for Binance, and you also need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If none of these seems to be working, then what you can do is you can contact the Binance customer service and then submit a report about this issue. And after that, you might be able to fix the issue, and that is how you can fix a verification failed issue on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.